everyone. After watching this video, you will be able to answer that why black holes are called most dangerous, hazardous, powerful bodies and extraordinary objects in the universe. So starting the video, the black holes are the dangerous and most powerful bodies that have enough mass in a very small size. These are extremely dense bodies in which gravity is so strong that not even light having greatest speed can escape through it. That means escape velocity of black hole is greater than even the speed of light. This is, you can see, the gravitational pull of a black hole. Einstein has predicted that nothing can move faster than speed of light, but the black holes not even allow light to reflect back. So you can imagine how powerful these are. In normal stars, also in sun, there is a balance between radiations and gravity because these are made up of gases like helium, hydrogen that continuously emit and absorb radiations. But in black holes, there are no radiations because there is no matter. So due to this unbalanced gravity exerts a strong pull and the matter keeps spiraling around it, as you can see in this video, and this gravity alone is responsible for the orbiting of matter around them. Now question arises, if not even light can be detected inside a black hole, that means astronomers could not even use telescope to visualize the inner structure of black hole. So how astronomers detect the presence of black hole at any place, as the black holes are also believed to be at the cores of galaxies as at the center of Milky Way, but how they are found? Actually, the clues of their presence comes from the motion of nearby objects, the bodies, and from the amount and the type of radiations they emit. As you can see in this video, stars close to center of gravity are observed to move so rapidly that only gravitational pull of an immense mass could keep them in their orbits instead of flying off. And this immense mass, as much of billion times the sun's mass, is only of black holes. This is how black holes are observed at different parts in the universe and at the cores of galaxies. Next comes the formation of black hole. Only very heavy stars with mass of million suns could end up as black holes. And when any light star go out of fuel, as you can see here, they evolve into white dwarfs. But as the time goes on, after millions of years, the strong gravitational field of these stars attract more and more cosmic dust and gas. And when they gather enough mass, as you can see, they become massive stars. They result in supernova. And this explosion, after this explosion, they will become black holes. So, also a star with sun's mass and radius approximately 3 kilometers can turn into a black hole. That is, any body, even Earth, if it is squeezed to a very, very small size, very small volume, that it can also turn into a black hole. So you can imagine how dangerous these are. Next is the structure of black hole. Boundary of black hole is called an event horizon, as you can see here. At this boundary, escape velocity is equal to the speed of light, and within this boundary, within this event horizon, the escape velocity is greater than speed of light. And this complete body enclosing within event horizon is called a black hole. Next is singularity. Singularity represents the central point of a black hole where the matter is squeezed and heated to produce radiations called corona. As you can see, corona is coming out from a point that we call as singularity, and this corona is emitted in the form of relativistic jets that streams out into space from this point that we called as singularity. and this releases enormous amount of energy, and this amount of energy is also observed at the center of Milky Way. This is how we detect the black holes. Next comes the accretion discs. Matter revolving around black hole do not fall straight forward into it. Instead, it swirls around which appear to us in the form of discs. These are thin discs of matter, as you can see here, that are spiraling and falling in towards the black hole. And as here, this disc that is due to the motion of the matter revolving around the black hole is called the accretion disk. On viewing it from different angles, the gravity of black hole can distort our view of it, and that's why we get this weird Saturn type shape rather than a circle. Next comes the type of black holes. Mostly two types of black holes are observed, that are stellar black holes and supermassive black holes. Firstly, we will discuss the stellar black holes. When a star of mass equal to approximately 100 suns go out of fuel, it collapses and falls into itself. This creates a stellar black hole. And as you can see here, a star revolving around a stellar black hole. And millions of stellar black holes are observed in different galaxies. Next comes the supermassive black holes. These are millions or even billions of times as massive as Sun, but about the same size in diameter. Such black holes are thought to be at the center of each galaxy, including Milky Way. These giants gather mass from dust and gas around them, material that is plentiful at the center of galaxies, and allowing them to grow more enormous in sizes. Many perceptions by different astronomers reveals that these may be the result of hundreds or thousands of tiny black holes that merge together, maybe collapse of stellar cluster or a group of stars falling together, or large clusters of dark matter. But we can't see dark matter because it emits no light and cannot be directly observed. So this video shows us the supernova explosion by supermassive, and that explosion results in the formation of a supermassive black holes. So at the end we can conclude that if universe lasts long enough, then everything in it may be in the form of black holes. So this is all about these dangerous and scary objects. I hope you get all the answers of the questions. For more knowledge, keep watching my videos. Thank you.